Okay, we're in a 2008 Challenger fifth wheel bunkhouse, model number 33DBB. You have automatic, the sofa thing has the vibration in it. Very nice wood table. Kitchen is beautiful. Nice refrigerator. Beautiful TV. Going up into the fifth wheel area. There's 2 ACs in this unit. Outstanding condition, all original too. No smells, no dogs, no cigarettes. Ample storage. Nice wardrobe closet. Nice dresser. Nice vanity. Bathroom, shower. This is a cold weather package. It's got the heat in the floors. You can see the vent. Refrigerator is perfect. Freezer is perfect. Everything works on it. Very nice woodwork, nice handles. 2 fantastic vents up top. There's your bunk house. Nice storage in here for the kids. And a second bath. That is the whole key. This is fabulous. So you have 2 living areas. One in the back here for the kids, and then the parents, and then they can sleep up in the front. Nice setup. Very, very nice setup. Everything is fresh and clean, in order, turnkey 110%. Coffee maker also. Okay, that's about it.